Hello friends, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this series of videos, we are talking about the best book series, the best book for different subjects that of our choice. Now for these different subjects, for the books that I am going to mention, there are 3 books mentioned for individual videos. Among these 3 books, it's not likely we putting in the rank 1, 2, 3. No, all the 3 books are important because sometimes one book covers some topics better than the other book. That's why we have 3 books listed for you so that you understand which topics are well written in which books and you can choose that book accordingly. And this book selection is purely based on my personal preference and the way I pursued the book when I read it. The book selection and choice might vary from viewers to viewers. So it is advised that if you want to purchase the book or if you want to read from the book, at least see a sample copy or see the soft copy or read PDF version of the book first and then get them. Another advice, if you want to get these books, get it in the colored version. If not possible to buy and afford the original printed version of the book, you can get a PDF and get a colored printout, which still is better in terms of understanding. And if you want to get this book, buy this book, the list of the books and their buying links from Amazon is there in the description. You can click that and you can see the books and you can check the details, you can check the reviews and can decide to purchase or not to purchase. Okay, and at the end I'll also mention about which book to select and which book not to select based on your requirements. So let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. This video is all about the best book series and today we are going to talk about the best books for molecular biology. Now if you remember, if you are a avid follower of my channel, you know this is the channel that prioritizes the understanding of cell biology and molecular biology in the global scale. At the beginning of that, there was no such channel explaining the topics. I've been explaining that more than 10 years and I personally recommend and followed these books. So these are all my preferences because I'm from microbiology background and we had cell biology, molecular biology, immunology in detail. We need to study all those things in detail. So these are my preferences, the best 3 books for molecular biology for your understanding. Whether you are molecular biology undergraduate or postgraduate, doesn't matter. Whether you're from microbiology, biotechnology field, these are the books that you go with for your molecular biology. Okay, the very first book I'll tell is Molecular Biology of the Cell. That is my personal favorite. In fact, this is the book. There are two. If there are 2 books that you want me to suggest for the modern biology understanding, I'll tell you one is Leninger Principle of Biochemistry, and the second one is the Molecular Biology of the Cell by Bruce Alberts. That's it, hands down, the best book that is available on cell biology and molecular biology. Now, I know that this is a cell biology book, overall idea of a cell biology book, but I still believe that molecular biology part is also well covered by this book. The best feature is comprehensive and the illustrations, you know, the beautiful illustrations that are out there, the images that are there, the figure legends that are there. If you read from the images only, you will learn so many things, okay? And the molecular mechanisms are like explained with pictures, just like this cover page that they stated that they explain everything with pictures. They explain things with pictures, and they also emphasize on cell biology integration with the molecular biology, the connection of cell biology with the molecular biology. Actually, these 2 subjects are not that different. Cell biology and molecular biology go hands in hands because cell is a larger perspective. You get inside the cell, you have molecules, you have DNA, you have proteins, the way they interact with each other. That is molecular biology, right? So that is something that we understand from here. Why would you study? What are the topics that are very well explained with this book? Almost every single topic to me, right? But yeah, DNA replication, repair mechanism, gene expression and regulation. Many people don't want to read molecular biology from this book and consider this as only cell biology book, but I consider this Albert's book of cell biology as cell biology book, molecular biology book, as also the cancer biology book. So cell cycle and apoptosis is very well explained here. Intracellular signaling and communication is very well explained. Membrane transport and cell structure is also very well explained. So if you want to learn about the cell membrane dynamics, there are the cell membrane organelles, cytoskeleton and the comparison between the cytoskeleton, and all these things are very well in-depth explanation is there in this molecular biology of the cell book. The second book that I am going to tell you about the molecular biology is the gene series. Okay, no, sorry, not the gene series. The second lecture of molecular biology I want to talk about is by the Watson molecular biology of the gene. So this is named as a molecular biology of the gene, sole molecular biology book as per the name by James T. Watson, none other than James T. Watson. So this is another very good book. I've learned from this book, particularly the online resources that the book provided earlier, the animations that they provided with these resources are very, very good. So the features out there is clear and concise explanation of the complex molecular mechanisms. But this is in depth. It's not likely that they just touch the topics, but in-depth explanations are out there. They have emphasis on experimental evidence and historical development of concepts. That's the approach that the book followed. The writing style is very accessible, and one more thing you should add here, that is the online resource that they offer with this book, very, very well. But again, I recommend you to go through all these books, be it Albert's Cell Biology or be it the Molecular Biology of the Gene by the James D. Watson. Read them in colored version. Okay, if you cannot afford the printed version of the book, get the PDF version, but read it from the color. There's so much difference between a colored version and a black and white version. Topics for which you will choose the Molecular Biology of the Gene by Watson is DNA structure and replication, where you have transcription and translation, genetic regulation and epigenetics, recombinant DNA, technology and gene cloning part, RDT part, all these things are covered. Genomics and biotechnology applications are also there in this particular book. So I prepared not all the topic but some topics from the book. I prepared, like, I personally followed most of the topics, I mean all the topics from the cell and some topics from this book. And now the third book that I want to talk about is again another book of debate, for the reason why I put it in the molecular biology segment. But actually I put it in the molecular biology segment, and this is another cell biology book or molecular biology, you can call it both the ways. Molecular Cell Biology by Lodish. Another very, very well written book. Yeah, at par with the Albert's book. Some preferred Lodish, some prefer Albert's. In fact, I think more people favor Lodish over Albert's, but my favorite is Albert's. So here we have the best feature, integrated cell and molecular biology concepts in very logical format. Excellent diagrams and case studies that you'll find here in this Molecular Cell Biology book by Lodish, and strong focus on clinical relevance. So if medicos want to prepare molecular biology or cell biology, then Lodish is the preferred choice. That's why Lodish become big name, because medicos prefer that for the clinical angle that the molecular approach that they had. Next is the topic explained best in the book Lodish, molecular genetics and gene expression studies that are out there. Signal transduction pathways very well explained, protein structure and function part, membrane dynamics, cellular mechanism of disease and immune response is also explained in Molecular Cell Biology by Lodish. In fact, anything related to the cell biology is very well illustrated and explained with Lodish. The language is very easy to understand, so it is more acceptable as a new learner. So as a new learner, between Lodish and Bruce Alberts, you can choose Lodish as easier version over the Bruce Alberts. And core molecular biology topic, as we talked about earlier, then that is a James D. Watson book for molecular biology of the gene. So these are the three best books that are out there from molecular biology domain. Alright, so I believe I've already clearly stated the difference between all the three books, which topics are well covered in one book more than the other. So the USP of the books are clearly explained. Now it's your choice which book to choose depending upon your requirement. But remember, this is all my personal preferences. If you want to check out the book, the link is there in the description. You can click the link and you can see the details. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to get more videos like that in future. Thank you.